Alrighty then, let's get started. I know why you're here and you know why I'm here. We know why each other is here. We are here today because we're gonna discuss some Funko Pops I think we're gonna see come out this year. I know, exciting, right? Pretty crazy. Now, do I think that there's gonna be some new Cruella Funko Pops? Heck yes, I do. I think we're gonna see at least 3 different types of Cruella Funko Pops. And it's gonna be Cruella before she was actually Cruella. So it's gonna be back when she was, as we saw in the trailer, in the beginning it shows that she's kind of a nobody and she's weepy and crying and, you know, all that fun stuff. So I think we're definitely gonna see a Cruella before she was actually Cruella, I guess. I also think we're gonna see a Cruella Funko Pop where her dress lights up, bursts into flames, and turns into a really other cool dress. I think that would be a really cool Funko Pop, and I think we might see it because we do see a lot of Funko Pops that appear in trailers before that movie actually releases. So I think we're gonna see those. And then lastly, I think we're gonna see a Cruella Funko Pop where she is actually, like, you know, it's gonna be a new revamped Emma Stone version of just Cruella. So it's just gonna be a Cruella Funko Pop, Emma Stone flavored. And I'm really excited to see this movie. I think it's gonna be freaking awesome. So here's another Disney Funko theory that I have. I think we're gonna see some Jungle Cruise Funko Pops. And it's gonna be freaking fantastic. So we do currently have Disney Rides Jungle Cruise Funko Pop. And I think what we're gonna see is we're gonna see that, but it's gonna be a little bit more updated. So I think what we're gonna see is we're gonna see pretty much the same Jungle Cruise, like bigger Funko Pop. But it's gonna have The Rock in it, and it's gonna have Emily Blunt in it as their characters. And I think that would be a really cool Funko Pop. Other than that, I think that we definitely are going to see The Rock as Frank in Funko Pop form. And we're gonna see Emily Blunt as Lily Houston. I think that's what her name is in the movie, Lily Houston. I also believe we will see Prince, I believe it's Joachim. I think that's how they pronounce it. But he seems to be kind of like one of the main antagonists in it. And of course, they gotta make that as a Funko Pop. So I think that we're gonna see those as some new Funko Pops for the Jungle Cruise. Also, on a more theory-based thing, in the trailer they had kind of this, I don't even know, like kind of like a jungle ghost kind of thing, monster going on somewhere in the movie. I think we also might see that, and that would be a really cool pop. That'd be, I mean, if we know Funko and we know how detailed they get with their Funko Pops, I think we're gonna see a really cool detailed version of that, and I will 100% get that. That's going to end my Disney Funko Pop theories. I hope you all enjoyed this, and hey, if you want me to do more of these and kind of do more theories about what Funko Pops I believe are going to come out, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you absolutely hate it, also let me know in the comments. I just want to help. I just want to do things for you guys, you know. Go visit my online Funko Pop store, shopdisneytheory.com. That is shopdisneytheory.com. Also, feel free to like, the video. That really helps me out, especially in these times. Feel free to subscribe, as I know a lot of you aren't. I know who you are. Just hit that little subscribe button for me, okay? Love ya.